Troubleshoot. In this quick guide, I'll show you I went, I saw, I conquered 2 for Handshake. In this, we need to explore the sawmill and find out the hostile group's intentions. Let's go. Okay, so for I went, I saw, I conquered, zooming into the sawmill over here, I've already marked pretty much exactly where we need to go. It should be roughly inside of this building over here, the western little warehouse. About 345 to the lookout that we were at previously, and we should be able to clear out the area. I've got a variable scope here, which we can zoom in and out simply by scrolling. Unfortunately, scopes do currently drop frames quite a bit, but I definitely recommend bringing a scoped weapon when we come here. Okay, so on top of the hill here, we can already look down and maybe start clearing things out from where we are. Alright, so already with the 4x scope, we've cleared out quite a bit. There's about 5 or 6 people we got rid of, which is definitely not all of them, but it should help later on when we push down. Into this left building, having cleared it out quite a bit from the hill, we should be able to enter. So we'll move across and into here. There are, of course, even more guards inside of it. Alright, entering this huge warehouse over here, we'll head pretty much to the far side. Alright, so simply just approaching exactly here on the far northeast or northwest side of this warehouse. I got it ticked off. I assume it's somewhere here that you need to be standing. And there we go. Now we just need to return back to base. Of course, I just happened to die a few feet away from this. Anyways, so we'll just call on the heli and ask it to take us back to base. There we go, returning back to base. We can now hand in our task for Handshake. So bam, we've done it. And there we go. Thank you for watching. My name's been Troubleshoot, and I'll see you all next time. Ciao.